Today, I'll show you how to start a successful sticker business from scratch. You don't need design skills, just a computer and an internet connection. I'll guide you through the entire process, from getting ideas to having a product ready for sale. We'll use AI to make things easier, and I'll explain every step along the way. First, we'll focus on generating ideas that work well and can be repeated. Then, we'll turn those ideas into stickers. Once they're good to go, we'll prepare the stickers for sale and create eye-catching mock-ups for online listings. If you're interested in starting a six-figure sticker business, watch the whole video without skipping. You might be wondering how this idea came to my mind. Well, market research played a crucial role for the selection of this business idea. If you search for animal stickers pack on Etsy, you'll find something interesting. There's not much competition. But what's even more is that many of these listings are consistently making sales and are getting consistent reviews. If you take a peek at Amazon also for the same product, you'll notice something similar: low competition and high demand. People are selling these stickers in many different ways and styles. For example, at Etsy this listing sells cute woodland animals stickers, and this one sells zoo animal stickers pack, or this one sells nocturnal animals stickers. You can clearly notice all of them are generating a lot of reviews, so the potential to make money in this niche is limitless. Now, you might think that creating these many stickers would be time-consuming, but I'm about to show you a trick that lets you make hundreds of them with just a few clicks. Simply head on towards ChatGPT. After logging in, simply ask it to give a list of ideas for cute image-only stickers that I could sell. Once you hit generate, it will give you a list of 20 cool ideas. After that, again ask ChatGPT to make each idea more detailed. Once you hit enter, it will take some time to generate all the ideas. As you can see, this method is much faster than searching for your ideas manually. For this video, we would be working on adorable animal ideas so that we can match the examples we saw on Etsy. For images generation, we're using an AI tool called Leonardo AI. This is an image generation AI tool where we give it a prompt from the previous step and it will generate an image for us based on the prompt you will give. Remember, for stickers generation we would be keeping photoreal and alchemy option turned off. This will take less credits and you can generate a lot of images in the free option. Also, the dimensions would be 4x3, and the model that we would be using is Leonardo Diffusion XL model. For the prompt, I have divided it into 3 parts: subject, style, and customization. For subject, I would copy-paste the prompt from ChatGPT into subject. Style would be cartoon style and customization part would be 4K resolution. Once you hit enter, it will take some time to render the images. As you can clearly see on the screen, it generated outstanding stickers in just a matter of clicks. But the images that are generated are in low quality, so to upscale the generated images, simply go to the website. The link is provided in the description. Upload your image there and upscale it up to 4K resolution. You can clearly see on the screen after upscaling, there is a huge difference between the two. For Mockup Creation for Etsy, simply open your sticker designs in a Photoshop PSD file. Next, to remove the background from uploaded sticker, select the wand tool from the toolbar on the left, then click on the background you want to remove. This will create a selection around the background. Hit the delete key to remove it. Now, we need a beautiful backdrop for our generated sticker. Visit the Leonardo AI website and generate an image that complements your sticker. I have already created it, and this is how it came out. Now, place the image you generated in Leonardo AI below your sticker layer. To do this, go to File. Then go to Place Linked and select your generated image. It should now appear in your layer panel. Shift that layer below sticker layer. Also resize the file so that it can fit according to canvas. To add depth and focus to your stickers, let's apply a Gaussian blur effect to the image. Select the image layer and go to Filter, then Blur, and lastly Gaussian blur. Adjust the blur radius to your liking. A low to moderate setting typically works well. Also, for the sticker layer, resize it so that it doesn't look too big. After that, to make your stickers really pop, add a layer between the sticker and the background image. Fill this layer with black. Now, reduce the opacity of the black layer to between 20% to 30%. This will create a subtle shadow effect that makes your sticker stand out and adds depth to your mockup. You can clearly see this looks way better than the default one. Repeat this process for other stickers too. After spending some time, this is how my mockup came out. Now simply start uploading the large number of listings on Etsy. Also upload those same design on Printify, my best go-to squad for print on demand. With that being said, connect your Printify store with Etsy, so when someone orders on Etsy, Printify will get order notification and will handle everything. Honestly, I feel in print on demand, the quantity of designs you post will directly correlate to the number of sales you get. If you like this video, a subscribe to the channel would be great. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one.